Ko Revez Reihana o Ngā Puhi me Cortez Ratiba o Ngāti Maniapoto etahi o ngā rangatahi o te kaparangatira e whanakeake nei I tēnei wā nei. Ko tētahi he kairau, ko tērā atu he topatahi, kei te tino whakakori-kori rāua, whakapātari-tari hoki rāua I ngā whakaaro o ngā kaiako I tēnei wā, kia tautapatia rāua ki aua tūranga, ki te aroā kapa mō ngā kēmu ngai o a te kapa rangatira I tēnei taunei. I kōrero a Victor Waters ki a rāua, nōna I tāhuna.
I te pūtake o ngā pai maunga ki tāhuna, e haipu mai ana te reanga hou o ngā rangatira. Ko Cortez Ratima rāua ko Revez Reihana, kua reia ki te aroā kapa.
This is my first time in, so pretty happy, like getting the opportunity to be in here. I guess just try and learn off Webby, Zave, just soak up as much as I can, And
yeah, even though it's my second year, I'm still in the same boat, just trying to be a sponge in the environment and learn as much as I can.
He waka eke noa, e rena ai te tau kāia tangata. How's your first five halfback connection?
Yeah, it took a bit of a break last year, me heading home, but no, it's good. It's been all good. Managed to slot in from 15 into 10. It's been nice getting a decent pull from Tizzy half the time. So.
Yeah, most time.
Most time.
E hara I te mea, ko te wairua mākohakoha noa iho, te mea e tata nei rāua, kei a rāua e mau ana, e tahi o ngā tino, ingoa auaha, I te whakataitai ngaio.
My sister just came up with it when she was just a youngster. I think she liked the name River, and then Mum just took it to Rivers.
Mine actually, like my old man had a favourite shoe back in the day. Do you remember the Nike Cortezes? Yeah. So that was like his favourite shoe. He collected them, and so that's how I think I got mine.
I nāia nei e aro nui ana, te tiro ki te tū ki te kapa. I moe nui ti ana e rāua.
Growing up for me in the King Country, always looked up to the Chiefs, always supported them. And I guess just being able to represent my whānau and stuff.
Yeah, for me, being an outsider looking in, I grew up in Northland, and so watching the Chiefs, Aaron Cruden was always one of my favourite players, the way he played. He's not the biggest man, but he had a lot of heart, and so yeah, that's what sort of resonated with me when I was younger.
E whetiki whakatika nei, ki te whakahoki, I te kapa rangatira, ki tōna rangatiratanga. Victor Waters, Te Karere.